But now, so it says Jesus is the first resurrection. How come those people weren't the first resurrection? They died again. So when they talk about first fruits, Jesus is the first fruit or the first resurrection. He's the first one to die, rise again, and never die again. That's the process. You gotta die, then rise again and never die again. All the other people that died before Jesus, even though they was rose, they died again. Lazarus dead, he dead. All those people that got up on the day he died on the cross, they dead again. All of them, everybody gone. But Jesus, he's still. So he the first fruit.